Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. I'd like to walk you through a 48-year-old fellow who had a repair case by us. This guy's a particularly interesting fellow to me because he's a landscaper, and just like me, his favorite tree is the crepe myrtle. And if you watch enough of my videos describing how hairs grow and the difference between thin hair and fat hair, you'll see lots of pictures of crepe myrtle trees. If you're from the southeast of the U.S., you see them all the time. They're flowering trees that start flowering in June and last until the fall, and they come in multiple branches just like hairs do. And if you're from elsewhere, just look at some of my videos. They're fantastic trees. I've probably planted 70 crepe myrtles over the past 15 or 20 years at different places I've lived or gone to do volunteer work. Anyhow, this guy came in and he'd had 2 hair transplants by a fellow that is a facial plastic surgeon just like me who dabbles in hair. And I used to dabble in hair. I've been very upfront with this. Back in the early 2000s I dabbled in hair, and you get results like this. They're not awful results, but they're not high quality results, because in order to do a hair transplant you got to have a team working for you all the time. They need to have constant practice. You need to remember and know exactly what needs to be micromanaged the whole time. So anyhow, this fellow came in, not as a disaster, but just wanting more hair, and he looked like this when he got here. And we did 1,800 grafts by strip technique. He came back at 2 months. His scar looked great. He doesn't have much color contrast, and his hair had all fallen out. He was going to come back a couple months later, and I think I was going to do a chemical peel-on. During that time, some type of mold started attacking crepe myrtles all over Virginia, including the crepe myrtles at the Lindsey household. And I didn't really know what to do about it, and this fellow really clued me into the right way to take care of it. Our crepe myrtles were back looking good. I'd long ago forgotten about his hair transplant, but I remember him every time I'd have to deal with a crepe myrtle issue. So he walked back in last week, and he looks fantastic. So here he is before and after. And note, before is not a disaster. There's plenty of disasters in the hair transplant industry. Is this not got great result? And now he looks completely unremarkable. And so we're talking about doing a case in his crown. It's tough to know what's going to happen. But in any case, you know, for you guys that are newbies, do your research, look at plenty of videos. Videos are free to put up, so there's no reason why people shouldn't be putting up plenty of videos showing their results. Come visit a number of offices and try to meet a patient or see a case going on when you're there, and really do your research. And there's no reason why you should get anything less than a really pretty good hair transplant. You might not get a perfect hair transplant, but if you do your research, you shouldn't get a bad hair transplant. If we can help you, please give us a call.